inside you. Don't let them bring you down. No, the beauty is inside you. Don't let them bring you down. No. Don't you know? Don't you know? Beautiful. Don't you know? Don't you know? Don't you know? Beautiful. Don't you know? No, 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 no. Take your time. Take your time. Take your sexy time. Don't lose your head, lose your head. Your beauty's deep inside, inside you. Don't let them bring you down, no.
Michael Tyler Voss, what's your shirt gonna say?
Riding the tides of life.
What's it mean to you? Why'd you pick it?
It's just something I picked up a while ago, and it has a meaning that I can't describe with words.
Don't you know? Don't you know? Beautiful. Don't you know? No, no, no.
All right, Deja, what's your message? What's your slogan?
Live now, die later.
What does it mean?
Live now, live life to the fullest, and die.
Beautiful people. Beautiful people.
Hey, Gerardo, what's it say? What's your shirt say?
Live and let live.
What does it mean? What's it mean to you? Why'd you pick that slogan?
Let other people do whatever they're doing and just live your life.
Live your life, live your life.
Jeffrey, what's your shirt gonna say?
It says love football, play football.
Awesome. Why'd you pick that slogan?
Because I love football and I love to play football.
Sounds good. Thanks.
Everywhere, everywhere, everywhere I go.
David Mora, it's your birthday today. How about that?
It's good.
Awesome. Hey, what's your shirt say?
Peaceful, calm, and in control.
What's it mean to you? Why'd you pick it?
Because it's hard to describe me.
That's you in a nutshell?
Yeah.
I like it.
Beautiful people. Beautiful people. Don't you know?
Ricky, what's your shirt gonna say? Truth. What's it mean to you? Why'd you pick it?
I couldn't think of anything else that sounded like that.
Okay. But you like it?
No, live your life, live your life. Let that love inside. It's your life, it's your life.
Elsie, what is she doing?
Oh, are you taking a video?
It's video, right?
What is she doing? I don't know her.
Elsie, tell her to stop. Elsie, what's your shirt say? Oh, that's what it says?
Time to make
No
an
sound?
impact.
Oh, time to make an impact?
Yep.
Why'd you pick that? What's it mean to you?
That's what we need to do.
Impact what?
Other people's life.
In a negative or positive?
We're positive.
Okay, as long as it's...
Mine just came right.
Don't you know? Don't you know? Beautiful. Don't you know? No, 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 no.
What are you doing right now?
Tape and tape.
You're more of a taping person?
What's that?
Everybody needs a role, right?
Everybody has
Christina,
a role in this world.
what's your shirt gonna say?
Don't be poor, no it.
Okay. What's it mean to you? Why'd you pick it?
Because it's always the same when mom says, don't be a spoiled child. That's what it means to me.
Good. And why is she in your video?
Well, because she's not spoiled and delicate.
Okay.
It's inside you. Don't let them bring you down. No. Don't you know? Don't you know?
Yo, Kiana. What's up, dude? What's your shirt gonna say?
I love music.
Okay. Why'd you pick it? What's it mean?
It's nice music. It's my passion.
That's you, huh? Piano equals music.
No, 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 no.
Peace.
Hola.
What's up, man? Hey, what's your shirt gonna say, man?
It's gonna say "Stay funny, my friend."
Stay funny, my friend. I like it. Why'd you pick it? What's it mean to you?
To me, it means just laugh a little each. It won't hurt.
Cool.
But then yesterday, I wasn't laughing because of something my grandma got me.
Okay. You were just.
It was ugly.
It was ugly. Chung Soy, how are you? Good. What's your shirt gonna say? Cambodia. Okay. Why'd you pick it? What's it mean to you?
My country.
Okay. Well, you know, the people viewing don't know this. This is gonna go worldwide. This is gonna be viral.
Just like the Harlem Shake.
Just like the Harlem, it's gonna be the Cambodia shake. We're
What
gonna
if
make
you
it up
get
just
like
now.
20 hits on
Break
that?
out into the Harlem Shake right now.
Yeah, let's do it.
We can make sure
Hey,
everything's
Ricky.
in place.
How long do you think I could have this on Sophia before she looks up? Oh, she heard me. Sophia, what's your shirt gonna say?
Inspire the world.
Inspire the world? I thought it said in spite of the world. I like yours better. What's it mean to you? Why'd you choose it?
I don't know, because I want to inspire people.
I like it.
Thing I see is beautiful people. Beautiful people. Beautiful people. Beautiful people. Oh, don't you know? Don't you know? Oh, beautiful. Don't you know? Oh, don't you know? Don't you know? Oh, beautiful, don't you know, no, no. Live your life, live your life. Let that love inside. It's your life, it's your life.